So here we are, we're elevated. There's a big hunk of bedrock between us and the river, and we've been digging in here. This is all bedrock. This is all bedrock that's being cleaned. But the thing that's so interesting is up in here, on top of the bedrock, is virgin Klamath River stream bed, never been mined. You see it? It's only a foot thick, in some places maybe 4 inches, and it goes and it goes, it goes, I don't know, maybe for miles. It just keeps going. Take a look. And they've been digging in here, getting incredible samples with beautiful bedrock just underneath, up and down. And here's what's interesting. You start looking up the hill. I hope you guys can see this, but this is a cobble pile from the old timer. See all the rocks piled? That's old time workings. And just over the top of that, there's a big place that the old timers had mined hydraulically. They had big monitors, and they mined the heck out of it up there. I mean, millions of cubic yards, and they threw the rocks right down over the hill onto virgin material. That's what's so amazing. So the line of gold, the really rich gold, must have been up there, and it must have been so rich that they wanted to get at it, and they were willing to throw their tailings, their cobbles, right on top of virgin stream bed that's paying quite well. Here it is. And so, you know, as we progress up the hill, it's going to be interesting to see if the gold gets better. I hope it does. You know, I'm looking, and I'm seeing people that are working even higher up than I am. Oh no, he's doing something private over there. Oops, don't want to look at that. Anyway, other than a little bit of concern about poison oak, which can be overcome with a pair of gloves. We got years. This claim is about 13 miles long. You know, think about that. And we got the rest of our lives easily. And it's very possible. Whoops, almost fell down. It's very possible that we're very close to 300 feet away from that active river. And if we are, we can set up pumps down there and pump water up to here, because we would be excavating more than 300 feet away from the river. We can set up recovery systems right down and boom right into them. Well, and we'll be looking hard at that next year, because we could increase our production, I don't know, 5-fold over pick and shovel mining. We'll see how that works out. Klamath River, the great outdoors, bald eagles. There was a bear out here yesterday on the other side of the river. Maybe a yearling. He was like a mid-sized bear. He was on the other side of the river. He came down and he was very curious. He wasn't afraid of us. He wasn't aggressive. He looked friendly. Nobody wanted to go over and pat him though. But a lot of wildlife here too. You just never know what you're going to see.